Once you have enrolled into units, you can create your timetable. To start, click on the My Classes tab. You can select which session you would like to make your timetable for here, and then click Refresh. If you click on the plus icon to expand, then you can see all the study requirements and registration status of the units. The study requirements will show the classes required for the unit. The registration status for the unit will be red if you have not registered into classes for that unit, yellow if you have registered in some classes but not all classes that are required, or green if you have successfully registered into all classes. You may not be required to select a class if there is only one class time available. To register into classes, click on the grey Register button next to the unit to display all classes available on the timetable down here. To select a class, hover over it. It will glow orange. Note that if there is multiple options for a particular class, they will all glow orange at the same time. You usually only need to select one of these. Once you have selected a class, click on it. A green plus sign will appear on the top right-hand corner. If a class has been selected, it will be highlighted red up here. Once you have selected all classes, click the Save button. The registration status will then change to green, and you will be able to view your classes on your weekly schedule. The location of your class is also shown on your weekly timetable. For example, this lecture for ANTH 1006 is located in Macquarie Theatre. When you go to select classes for a different unit, you will be able to see these in grey, so that you can avoid class clashes. Some classes may be stream classes. This means that these classes must be taken in a prescribed order, and you can select a package of classes rather than individual lectures or tutorials. To select a stream class, hover over the stream selection on the left. It will highlight the package or suite of classes that you must attend. Like with the other classes, click it to register into it and click the Save button. Your timetable is complete when the registration status for all your units are green. If you want to change any of your classes, you can click the Change button here. To unregister from a class, hover over it and click. A red dash icon will appear, and then go ahead and make any changes you wish to make. All you then need to do is click Save. If you encounter a full class on your timetable, please do not worry. You may find that some classes for some activities have become full during the enrolment period. Extra classes are released by the department on a daily basis. Check eStudent daily during this period for extra classes. If you do need assistance with your timetable, you can always contact Student Connect, and they will be happy to assist you. Continue on to Tutorial 8 to find out the extra steps you need to complete to get ready for the session ahead.